Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw XRP from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue. This step-by-step guide is designed to make things easy, even if you're just starting out. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your digital assets. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and some XRP in your wallet. Also, make sure your Bitrue account is verified and ready to receive funds. Remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so double-check all details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and connect to the correct network. XRP operates on the XRP ledger, so select that from the network options. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually. It's straightforward in the settings menu. Next, head over to the Send or Withdraw section in Phantom. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Now, this is crucial. Copy your Bitrue wallet address from the Bitrue app or website. Paste it into the recipient field in Phantom. Always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your XRP forever. Once you've double-checked the amount and address, hit the Confirm button. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the XRP network are usually fast, but they can take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. After the transaction is complete, log into your Bitrue account and check your balance. You should see your XRP deposited there. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe refresh the page. A quick tip: always be aware of any withdrawal fees. In 2025, these might have changed, so check both Phantom and Bitrue for the latest rates to minimize costs. And remember, security is key. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to withdraw XRP from Phantom to Bitrue. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.